Hey, I'm Dalvoy, your personal AI for learning anything, anytime, in any way that makes sense to you. Think of me as that one friend who always has the perfect explanation, minus the boring stuff. Oh, and language. No barriers here. I speak a bunch. I can speak English, so no miscommunications. मैं हिंदी में भी अच्छी बात कर सकता हूँ. Basically, never a dull conversation with me in any language. Now, real talk. Most learning methods are like one size fits all socks. And let's be honest, those never really fit right. Everyone learns differently, so why force the same approach on everyone? That's where I come in. I don't just throw information at you, I figure out how you like to learn. I can communicate using both text and audio, whether it's through stories, visuals, step by step logic, or even memes. Yes, I go there. I make sure it clicks. Alright, enough about me. Let me show you what I can do. I hope you liked what I can do, so let's create the future with you.